Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to talk about how to download and flash the Meshtastic firmware. There are 3 common methods you can use. Let's take a look. Firstly, connect the device to the computer via USB. The first method is to brush and write online through the official website. Open the official website of Meshtastic, click on the web page to download, select the device you are connected to, and the matching firmware version will be automatically recommended for you. Click the download button, select the corresponding serial port, and flashing will automatically start. You need to wait for 1 minute here. In the end, even if the download is successful, the device can run Meshtastic normally. The second method, flashing through the command line. For users with a certain technical foundation, firmware can be manually downloaded using the command line method. Firstly, download the device firmware file to the local device. Open the terminal at the file location, enter the command /chipuit to read the device serial port, and then enter the command device install -fx to flash the firmware. The download needs to wait for a period of time, and in the end, it means the download is complete. The final method is to use the official Meshtastic desktop flashing tool. Before you get started, you'll need to set up the required development environment. There's a detailed guide available in the documentation, so be sure to check that out. Once everything is installed, click on the current environment, search for the firmware that matches your connected device, and click Upload. The tool will automatically download and flash the firmware for you. When you see the completion message, that means the flashing process was successful. And that's it. Those are the 3 most common methods for flashing your device. We hope these options help you get started with Meshtastic quickly and smoothly. In our next video, we'll walk you through how to configure your device within Meshtastic. Stay tuned.